back. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Yeah. How you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Back with another video. Happy Thursday. I didn't say that. My bad. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. Rally racing car crash compilation. Most crazy and incredible moments for all time. From all time. Oh, kind of scared. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Kind of scared. The reason I'm scared, because I feel like some of these crashes are gonna be just crazy as hell. Shout out to the sub who did recommend this. Like I said, trying to get through all you guys' recommendations. So please let me know if I forgot any. Like I said, you can remind me every day under every video. Hey, can you still do this? Stuff like that. Like I said, I got time to try to get to. But I appreciate all the love and support you guys show with these videos, even with the recommendations. Can't thank you guys enough. Anyway, like I said, I want you guys to feel I want you guys to feel as connected to the channel as possible. Like I said, this channel is for you guys. I do it for you guys. So anyway, let's go ahead and get with the video. Seven seconds in. Was that a Oh my gosh. Yo. Holy shit. Dang! Why are they clapping? Why are they clapping? Am I confused? I don't understand the clapping part. That's just me. I don't understand why they're clapping. Look how he's drifting though. That's a pretty nice drift, except for this part. God dang, that car is fucked. Help him out! Oh my gosh. Oh, he had it for a second. Good. And I also do like how people are like actually like coming in and like saving the day. Like see like where he is, like people are already running towards the car. You know, try to help him out or whatever. Good, good. This is some shit. And why are they doing it in the snow? Is this? This is this is crazy to me. Holy shit. I would not be you would never catch me doing this shit. You would never catch me doing this shit. This is ridiculous. My man is just speeding around that freaking turn. Oh my gosh. These guys in the freaking snow, like where is this at? Like, where are they doing this at? Russia? They're freaking, you know. Help him out. Open the door. My man wearing overalls. Ugh. You got people recording all that. Oh, that rock could have been scary. Boy, that rock could have been scary. Oh my god, that rock could have been scary. Look how fast. I seen that, dude. Oh my gosh, I seen that. That's scary shit. Especially landing like that. And people actually watching this. That wasn't too bad. Dang. That was still bad, but oh shit. Oh my god. Dude, it's gotta be some like overseas stuff, man. This is ridiculous. It's gotta be some overseas crap. Yeah, that was pretty cool. See, like, I don't understand, like, what's the clapping about? Like, why are they clapping? Yeah, those like sharp turns, wherever they are doing this at, like in the forest, it's a farm, like, do they just go to like a open area and do this? Like people can die from this. Look at this. People can die from this. But it's good to see people like the whole crowd just warming to a car to get him out, which is, you know, to see if he's straight. Again, I don't understand the clapping, but rally car racing. Yeah, you would never see me doing this. Yeah, you would never see me doing this. That's on freaking F-150. Golly, what they find you that? That's not even F-150. That's like those tow trucks. Like ain't no bears and crap in the forest. Heck no. Okay, dude's been pretty. Never mind. I was gonna say he's doing pretty good. See, look at that. Look at that. Y'all in the way. Like, the fans can get hit too. Like, the audience can get hit as well. Oh, back the hell up. Like, the audience, back up. Back up. Back up. Jesus. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Anyway, you guys don't get like a sub cut up, but you guys thoughts and reactions. Oh my god. See you guys later.